Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0123 indicates a high voltage condition in the Throttle Position Sensor A circuit of the Honda Pilot from 2016 to 2022. The throttle position sensor is a critical component in the vehicle's engine management system. It detects the position of the throttle plate, which is crucial for regulating engine air intake. The sensor sends voltage signals to the Engine Control Module, ECM, which uses this data to adjust the fuel mixture and optimize performance. A high voltage reading suggests an issue in the sensor circuit, potentially affecting engine performance and drivability. The vehicle's diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0123, is specifically related to this high voltage scenario, and it is essential to troubleshoot effectively to ensure proper functioning. The DTC P0123 is associated with the Throttle Position Sensor A, an essential component located near the throttle body of the Honda Pilot. This sensor plays a crucial role in the vehicle's engine management system, as it provides real-time feedback about the throttle plate's position to the Engine Control Module, ECM. The ECM utilizes this information to adjust fuel injection and air intake, ensuring optimal combustion and engine performance. A malfunction in this sensor can lead to incorrect readings, potentially triggering this DTC. The sensor is typically found at the intake manifold, closely linked with the throttle body assembly, making it vital for smooth engine operations. Several factors can lead to DTC P0123 being triggered, beginning with a faulty throttle position sensor. It may fail internally, presenting a high voltage output instead of the expected range. Wiring issues within the harness, such as frayed, shorted, or poorly connected wires, can also contribute to erroneous sensor readings. Possible problems related to the Engine Control Module, ECM, commonly referred to as the PCM, Powertrain Control Module, could influence the sensor performance. To accurately identify the cause, specific diagnostic tests should be performed to assess these components systematically. The presence of DTC P0123 may lead to several noticeable symptoms affecting vehicle operation. One primary symptom is poor engine performance, which may include issues such as hesitation or lack of power when accelerating. Drivers may also experience unexpected throttle response, where the throttle may not respond correctly to accelerator input, leading to a lack of control during driving. Additionally, the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system will illuminate the check engine light, prompting further investigation. These symptoms underscore the importance of resolving the issue to restore normal function and safety. To begin troubleshooting DTC P0123, the first step is to verify the problem accurately. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Once in this mode, clear the diagnostic trouble code using the HDS, which stands for the Honda Diagnostic System, a specialized tool for Honda vehicles. After resetting the DTC, check specific parameters related to the throttle position sensor using the HDS to observe current voltage readings. This verification will help determine if the current conditions align with the threshold values. Specifically, if the TP sensor reads over 4.8 volts, indicating a potential issue. Following the initial verification, the next step involves checking for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. It is essential to determine if DTC P0123 appears in conjunction with other trouble codes, notably DTC P0223, which indicates a problem with TP sensor B. If both codes show up together, it suggests a common underlying issue that needs addressing, and you should proceed to the next troubleshooting step accordingly. If not, further investigation focused solely on DTC P0123 is warranted. For troubleshooting step 3, the vehicle must be turned to the off, lock mode before proceeding. Disconnect the throttle body 6P connector, as this will allow for an accurate voltage measurement without interference from the sensor. Next, switch the vehicle's ignition back to the on mode while keeping the connector disconnected. Measure the voltage between the specified test points, the throttle body 6P connector number 6 and body ground. It is critical to ascertain whether the voltage is around 5.0 volts. A proper reading indicates that the throttle body may need replacement if it meets this voltage, as it suggests a malfunction within the sensor itself. In this step, you'll investigate the continuity of the THL1 wire circuit, which is essential for signal transmission between the throttle body and the powertrain control module, PCM. Ensure that the vehicle is off before proceeding. You will jump the SCS line, also known as the schematic control switch line, with the HDS, and wait for over 1 minute to allow the system to stabilize. Disconnect the PCM connector B, 51P, and the throttle body 6P connector to isolate the circuits. Using a multimeter, check for continuity between the specified test points. If you find continuity, it confirms that the THL1 wire is operational. However, if there is no continuity, you will need to repair an open circuit in the THL1 wire to resolve the DTC. In the final troubleshooting step, focus on the SG5 line, which is another crucial wiring connection within the throttle position sensor circuit. As in the previous steps, ensure the vehicle's ignition is off and jump the SCS line with the HDS. Disconnect both the PCM connector B, 51P, and the throttle body 6P connector for an isolated measurement. Use a multimeter to test for continuity between test points across these connections. If continuity exists, this confirms that the SG5 wire is functioning correctly. Conversely, if there are no readings, it indicates an open circuit that requires prompt repair between the SG5 wire and the corresponding connectors. After completing all necessary repairs and replacements associated with DTC P0123, conduct a thorough verification of the entire system to ensure it is back to optimal functioning. Start by using the HDS to confirm that no DTCs are present anymore, indicating that all errors have been resolved. Once this is established, take the vehicle for a test drive under various driving conditions to ensure proper operation without triggering any warning lights. After successful testing, clear any stored DTC codes present in the system to reset the onboard diagnostics. This final verification is crucial in ensuring that the repair was successful and that the vehicle operates as intended. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0123 and related issues, regular preventive maintenance is vital. Begin with the routine inspection of the throttle position sensors and associated wiring components as part of standard service checks. Specialized connectors, especially those linked to the throttle body and the PCM, should be monitored for any signs of wear or corrosion, which can lead to intermittent issues. Additionally, performing scheduled diagnostics with the HDS helps catch potential problems early, ensuring smooth operation and preventive action. This proactive approach is essential to maintain engine performance and reliability in the Honda Pilot. In conclusion, DTC P0123 points to a significant concern within the throttle position sensor A circuit, notably a high-voltage condition that can impact the engine's performance. A comprehensive diagnostic approach, thoroughly testing each component and wiring connection, is crucial to locate and rectify the underlying cause effectively. It is essential to clear any trouble codes and verify functionality before concluding repairs to ensure the vehicle operates reliably. Regular maintenance to inspect sensors, wiring, and connectors will significantly enhance long-term reliability and performance, making it an essential aspect of vehicle ownership for Honda Pilot owners. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.